Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Vercel app. So first of all, come here on vercel.com, then simply sign in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here on the Vercel dashboard, you will find this add new button. So you need to simply click on it. Now among the given options, I want you to select the option of project. Now, when you are inside the project, you are going to see several different ways to start your application. So over here, you can either import the Git repository, or you can also even get the clone templates. So over here, you just have to select that particular method with the help of which you want to create your project. Most importantly, or most commonly, people use the import Git repository option. So if you already have any of the projects available on the GitHub, you need to simply click on the option of sign up with GitHub. Then you just have to authorize Vercel on GitHub, and this way all of your projects are going to be shown over here on this particular page. Now right next to each and every project that you import or that are available on GitHub, you are going to see the import button right next to them. So you need to simply just select the project that you want to import. Afterwards, you need to give your project a name if you want to change it, or if it already had the name, then you don't need to change anything. Then Vercel will usually detect your framework automatically, and it will fill the appropriate build settings. Now, if your project needs the environmental variables, you can also open the environmental variables and then you can add them before deploying it. Now, once everything looks correct to you, you need to simply click on the option of deploy. Then Vercel is going to install your dependencies. It is going to build a project for you, and it is also create a deployment. You can watch the progress directly on the deployment screen. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.